Hi everyone, welcome back to Shin Tech Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to show you how to see the call history for a specific contact on your iPhone, so you can easily track how often you talk to someone, check call durations, and view detailed call activity. If this video is helpful, let us know in the comments, leave a like, and subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials. Let's get started. First, what you want to do is open the phone app on your iPhone. You will usually find this in the bottom bar of your screen, so go ahead and tap on it to open it. Once you're inside, you need to find a call from the contact you want to check. Scroll through your recent calls until you see that person's name. Now, tap on the small eye icon located on the right side of that contact. This will open the contact details, and from here, you can scroll down until you find the call history section. Tap on it, and now you will be able to see all the calls you've had with this specific contact. You can scroll through the list to check details like whether the call was incoming or outgoing, how long each call lasted, and the exact date and time. And that's it. Now you know how to see the call history for a specific contact on your iPhone.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Shin Tech Tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!